In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on this Volkswagen Tiguan. This is going to be located in the engine bay on the left side. Let's get into it. I'm going to disconnect the connector. I'm going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just push on the tab. It slides right out. Now we're going to use a tamper-proof Torx bit, which has a little hole in the center. And this is a T20. I'm going to take these two screws out. And slide that out. Now take the sensor, slide it in place. Get the screws started. And snug those down. Connect the connector. Lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.